Uh, Good morning, my Nigerian people. What I would like to message you this morning is what is going on in Nigeria, pertaining Nigerian people. You know, in Nigeria now, people know throughout the world, people know us as crime holder. Crime holder. You know what I mean by crime holder? Nigeria always commit crimes in throughout the country. We always commit crime and we tarnish our image, which is not good. We are talking about crime. Under the crime, we have drug abuse, ritualist, and the Yahoo, and any other crime like that. But what I want to discuss this morning as a message, why Nigerians like to commit crime. Crime. As a ham, I'm a I'm a Yoruba I'm a Yoruba man. You know, in Yoruba land, we fear to commit crime. But what happened throughout the world is not pertaining Yoruba or Igbos or Hausas. We in general, we in general, we commit crime throughout the world. When you go to US, Canada, Australia, UAE, Dubai, Oman, Qatar, different countries in the world, people know Nigeria. We don't have a good reputation. People don't regard Nigeria. They just know us as a crime holder. So please, I'm taking this opportunity, that is to plead to Nigerian people, to plead to Nigerian people, to not spoil our name throughout the world. You know what happened in South Africa now? They are killing Nigerians, which is not good. We are fellow brothers. We are fellow brothers to each other. But now, see what happened. Killing Nigerian people, bomb our properties, damage our properties, steal our properties, kill ourselves, which is not good. What caused this? What caused this? Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ní kí ló fa èyí? Wọ́n ní kí ló fa èyí? Won't you see that whosoever cross from one country to another, whosoever cross from one country to another, you cross from one country to another, you need to know what you are doing. God gives somebody's money. God gives money. Money is not force. Money is not force. Talking about money. It's not everybody can have money. Yes. It's not everybody can have money. And that's what I want you to know. And this crime issue is too much, my people. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Yoruba used to make a proverb. Wípé ọmọ tó bá máa dára láti kékeré láti máa mọ̀. Ọmọ tó bá máa dára. That is, a children that is going to be good. You know from kids. But why do we Nigerians like to make crimes? Ritualist, Yahoo. When you come to Nigeria, you see many Yahoo boys killing people, driving motor carelessness, kill people, do ritualist. What pain me most is pertaining our pastors. that we believe that these pastors are the right hand of God. They are the child of God. Then call themselves a pastor. 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 But now we know ritualists. We know ritualists. That is call them Ologun. Yoruba call them Ologun. When you see ritualist, you will know this is a ritualist. What is pastor's own that is doing ritualist? Kí ni ti pastor tó ń ṣoògùn tàdé pé lọ́mọ ọlọ́run tó gbé Bible dání? My people in Nigeria, I'm just pleading. You know, a certain time I was in Dubai, Cairo, other country like that. I see this country more blessed than Nigeria. You know, in Nigeria, people know Nigeria as a giant of Africa. But now no more. We are not giant of Africa. We are ant of Africa. Ant of Africa. Ant of Africa. What caused this? Because we don't have we that we are Nigerian, we are not good. We that we are Nigerian. We call ourselves Nigerian. Àwa gangan ò dáa. Àwa gangan fúnra wa ò dáa. We Nigerians, we are not good. When we are not good, how we are going to select a good leader? Quote. We Nigerians are not good, to say the truth. Nigeria ò dáa. Àwa tó wà ní Nigeria gangan ò dáa. Really, God bless us with different blessing, but we don't know the value. We don't know the value. We have good lands. We have petrol. We have good weather. We have many things. We have gold, cocoa, everything. God bless us, but we don't know the value. We don't know the value. Just because we have no good leader and we are not good. To say the truth, Nigeria are not good. Because if we are good, we are going to select among of us, we are going to select a good leader. You know what happened to us? I believe that just use this our elder to just punish us. God used our elders to punish us just because we don't know God. What causes issue most is that we don't know God. Our pastors, talk about pastors, they are ritualists. They don't have fear of God. They pastor church just because of money. Then pastors us just because of money. Pastors do fornication, adultery, ritualists, share blood. They share blood. That is our pastor in Nigeria. Calls themselves a pastor. They call themselves a man of God, evangelist. That is pastor. What about our elders? Call them elders. Our elders. Our elders don't have the fear of God. Go to Dubai, different country, in European country, Asia country, China. You cannot see their leaders to just invest their money, take it out of the country. Take it out of the country. It's not good. It's not good. See, because we don't have fear of God, it causes a lot of problems. See in Nigeria now, in northern Nigeria, Boko Haram, sharing of blood, killing people, innocent people. Why? Just because you don't have fear of God. You don't have fear of God. So my people, I would like to discuss, to message you more and more. You know, the Bible says the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ni ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọgbọ́n. Tí èèyàn bá ní ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, máa ní ọgbọ́n. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi Nàìjíríà. the people in Nigeria, we need to have fear of God. I mean, fear of God. Once again, fear of God. See our boys, our girls. Our girls are now doing this rubbish work throughout the world. If you go to US, different country, our girls do fornications. That is rubbish yourself. You don't have respect throughout the world. If you go to other country to go and work, you go to you go to that is a company to go and work. Then here you are from Nigeria. There will be fear that is to give you job. Pertaining our corruption. Our corruption is too much. Why? We are just spoiling ourselves. We are spoiling our country. Our country is not well okay. Fulani men, they are there threatening us. Why? Boko Haram threatening us. And we by ourselves, we are threatening ourselves. Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n ní à ń fìyà jẹra wa, à ń nira wa lára. Yorùbá threaten Yorùbás. Igbo threaten themselves. Hausa threaten themselves. Why? It's very sad. It's very sad. So my people, I want you to think about this my message. If you look throughout the world, we are talking about crime throughout the world. Nigeria is the most. We're talking drug abuse. Drug abuse. Àwọn ológun, àwọn tó ń gbé cocaine. Àwọn tó ń gbé cocaine. Drug abuse. Nigeria is the most high drug abuse. It is good. You will cross Red Sea to travel to other country. You will now that is go. You are traveling to other country. That is to make a crime. Do you think other countries are Nigeria? Other countries are not Nigeria. Other countries are not Nigeria. I can remember I went to Dubai days ago. I see the country, how these people do their country. My people, go to Dubai, go to Oman, go to Qatar. You know, these people, they don't have money much, but then do their country well test and well okay. Nigeria, why we also not copy those country? To say the truth, yes, we are much in Nigeria. You can say so. We are much in Nigeria. If we are much, we need to present ourselves as a good people. Please, my Nigerian people, let's stop crime. Let's stop crime, Nigeria. Nigerian crime is too much. Ritualist is too much. Cocaine pusher is too much. We don't even have the fear of God. We are talking about the fear of God. Fear of God. Our elder, they have no fear of God. We that we are Nigerian, we have no fear of God. Is that good? See other country. Those Muslim country, if we hear Allah, they have the fear of God. Whatever they are doing, they'll just drop it and go to mosque and pray. If they give you food, you eat the food with happiness. You will not afraid that maybe this food they poison the food or any other thing, because they have fear of God. If they want to do business with you, they will do business with you with the fear of God. But now in Nigeria, it's not like that. Yoruba fear Yorubas. Hausa fear Hausas. And Igbo fear Igbos. How it is going to be last long? How it is going to be last long? So my people in Yorubas, ẹ jọ̀wọ́, I'm just pleading. I don't believe Nigeria can be good, but nothing God cannot do. Nothing God cannot do. But I don't believe that Nigeria can be good because we are not good already, and we don't have a good leader, and we don't have the fear of God. How Nigeria is going to be good? I'm going to message pertaining how Nigeria is going to be good. How Nigeria is going to be good? Are we going to be good throughout the world? Throughout the world. Throughout the world. I'm talking about throughout the world. But it's not good. Nigeria, please and please have the fear of God. I'm talking about the fear of God. Most important in somebody's life. Whosoever the fear of God, a life will totally change. Change. See, to say the truth, in this Nigeria, there is certain parts in Nigeria that used to commit crime much. To say the truth, most of these people are Igbos. The crime is too much from their side. Konken pusher, Igbo. Fraud, Igbos. You always emulate them, right? But Igbo side is too much. If you go to Dubai, they have CCTV there, and their CCTV is well working. Don't you know that here in Nigeria, some boys go to Dubai and thief, rob, take somebody's bag, snatch somebody's money on in ATM. And these people, these Arabic people think they are all Nigeria, they are all Africa. We are tarnish Africa image, which is not good. Please, let's think how Nigeria is going to be good. How Nigeria is going to be good. Well, I know one day is one day. God will ask you and will ask me, how do you do your country? How do you do your life? How do you do your family? How do you do your friends? How do you do your neighbor? I know. Ọlọ́run máa bi gbogbo wa léèrè. It's under must. Ọlọ́run máa bi ẹ́, máa bi mí. Ó máa bi gbogbo wa léèrè. Báwo la ṣe ṣe? Báwo la ṣe ṣe? One thing I want you to know, if we don't leave this world will leave you one day. I want you to know, if you are a bastard millionaire, we have different houses in US, Canada, Australia, Turkey, Iraq, Italy, Saudi, Dubai, Nigeria. We have many houses. But one day I want you to know that you are going to leave this earth. You are going to leave this earth. It's under must. You are going to leave this earth. Wàá fayé yìí sílẹ̀ ní dídàndàn. Why we punish ourselves? Why are we disturbing ourselves? Just because of to have money. I'm talking about money. Just because of have money. If you don't leave this money, this money is going to leave you one day. Know that, sure. My people, let me be right up. Let me be round up my words. Please and please, I want you to have the fear of God. How Nigeria is going to be good? Please, how Nigeria is going to be good? Let's think how Nigeria is going to be good. Ritualists, Boko Haram, Yahoo boy, Konken pusher, crime. How is going to be stopped in Nigeria? How is going to be stopped? What are we going to do? Think about it. My people, think about it. My friend, think about it. Nigeria, think about it. Thank you. God bless.